Sisterhood. Hey guys, I'm so nervous. What's up guys? So we're back in the bathroom. Thought I would film another video in here because why not? Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine that I've been doing for the summertime. It is very light and natural as always. It's changed a little bit, but I have always loved the really simple, natural, glowy, no makeup look. So that's what you're in for right now. This is my makeup that I've been using lately. This video isn't sponsored at all. I use a lot of Glossier though, so I just wanted to make the disclaimer. I love Glossier because it's like exactly what I go for. Simple, natural, and it's cute. Everything is just really cute. I'm a sucker. Ooh, today just for funsies, I'm gonna try out this Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer by Origins. Just because. Oh my gosh, that's freezing cold. Holy crap, this is so cold. I don't know how they do this. It like hurts. Whoa, that's cold. Oh, it smells really good. This does not feel like a primer. I guess we're just putting this all over the face. Wow, freezing. It felt like ice. I'm so confused. Chemistry is crazy. I'm gonna spray my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe cucumber and green tea. This is my fave out of lavender, rose, and this one because it smells really good. Now my face feels fresh. This camera makes my skin look so good. It's fantastic. Oh, just kidding. What are you guys watching on Netflix right now? I'm watching season 2 of Riverdale. I'm giving it a second chance because when it first came on, I was like, no. But because I love the first season, so I'm gonna give it a second chance and try to watch it again. When I wear lip balm, it's either Lipsil or this Blistex DCT lip balm treatment thing. This has SPF 20, so if your lips really need some help, or if you're just feeling like it, then use this one. It kind of just depends what mood I'm in, which lip balm I end up using, but this is a good one. I've been using it a lot lately. Should I put my hair up? Hello? If you were laying in your bed right now, get up and dance with me. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I'm so glad we could just enjoy that time together. Hey guys, fun fact about me, I hate FaceTime, so if you ever call me, I won't answer. I'm kidding, but I'm also not really kidding, so. Next thing I do, depending on the day and how I'm feeling, I will either use my Glossier Stretch Concealer or my MAC Concealer. I don't know what this is called, but it's MAC. I think I'm feeling my MAC Concealer. This one is a lot less blendable and like moisturizing than the Glossier one. I just use my finger, put it under my eyes. And it helped in the most subtle way, and it really just brightens. So annoying. I have the biggest zit right in between my eyebrows and it left a huge scar, so that sucks. I'm gonna have to conceal this for the rest of my freaking life. And yes, I am using the viewfinder to do this because I am a pro. And as you can see, I have like multiple scars, which are kind of annoying to cover up, so most of the time I really don't. Like I do the like nothing to cover them up. If I'm really feeling like I want to look good and I have like a photo shoot or something, then I'll use like a BB cream. But other than that, I literally just take my concealer and just hope for the best. It kind of helps. Like it's really not the best technique, but I like to try a little bit to you know, help myself out. Sometimes I'm pretty good at makeup, but most of the time it's this. And I hate to disappoint all of you guys. I know I used to be a beauty expert, but I was just lying to you that entire time. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use my Glossier Stretch Concealer a little bit under my eyes because it's kind of like shiny and moisturizing. If you watch my skincare routine video, you already know that. I haven't been setting my makeup lately just because I don't like the feeling of a lot of powder on my skin, so especially for the summer I just put concealer on, and that's that. So then after that, I have been doing one of two techniques with my blush. The most natural and just honestly fun ways of doing blush are either to use my Milk Makeup lip and cheek stick. That's kind of hard to say. Lip and cheek stick. And this is in the shade Perk, and I'll just kind of like go like this. Or what I have been doing more often is taking one of my Glossier Cloud paints, usually this one in the shade Beam, and putting it all over my cheeks. So I'm gonna use this today and show you how I do it. It's really not hard, and it's so natural and so cute. And this is like the perfect shade for frick. So sorry. This is like the perfect shade for summertime because it kind of looks like a sunburn. This is a sunburn and this is the cloud paint. They look the same. I know some of you guys are gonna fight me, but I like to bring my blush right here too and connect it with my nose. Oh, Rebel. Radio Rebel. Where are my fans at? Where are my Radio Rebel girls at? You know? One thing I will say about this blush though is that it doesn't really stay on for long, unfortunately. Glossier, you should make a waterproof version of this. Now for bronzer, I have been using my freaking Chanel. I have stepped up my game, ladies. I have used Hoola bronzer for literally my entire life, and then as soon as I became friends with Olivia, she uses this, and I couldn't not buy it. It's so amazingly good. It's so nice. It smells good. It's so large. Like, look how big this thing is, and it's just fun. You will feel bougie if you use this, you know. Hoola bronzer is still amazing. Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is the only thing from Chanel I own and will probably ever own. Put it all over. Contouring. Let's talk about that. It is not the easiest thing on the planet. It's really not that easy, unfortunately. Sometimes I can successfully do it, but most of the time it's better to just bronze up your skin instead of doing a full-on contour, because it's so easy to make a contour look terrible, like just a line on the side of your face. I like to kind of put my bronzer in that location, but like blend it enough where it doesn't look like a harsh contour. It's just like some warmth right there, and it adds like a little bit of shade. Or maybe that's just me and I think I'm clever. Is that good? My entire YouTube career, I have always gotten comments about how I put too much bronzer on my forehead, and I'm just gonna keep doing it because I don't care. I don't care about anything. I'm sorry, that's really annoying. We're gonna stop now. Also, if you're wondering, this brush is from Tarte, but you can get this from like Eco Tools. Next is highlighter. So what I've been doing for highlighter is taking my Hollow Scope stick by Glossier. I put it like, I really go for it on the back of my hand, and then I take my fingers and kind of like pat it onto my skin. And I really like the way this highlighter looks. This is the most natural looking highlighter.
What's up, guys?
Oh my gosh! I'm doing my highlighter right now. What do you think about it?
It smells good.
Not really.
No, it's just, oh, it's your hair.
Thank you.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. And it kind of looks like it kind of just looks like sweat. Is that a good thing? Because I don't know. I think, you know what this is? Okay. Basically, this feels like a lip balm. That's what I've been trying to say this whole time. Everything about it is like a lip balm, but then it also has some shimmer in it. So it looks really natural and it stays on for a very long time. It smells like kid makeup. Sometimes I'll leave my highlighter just like this, but most of the time I'll break out my Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, and I have the one in Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. So it has two different shades. Just to add a little bit more highlight, I'll take a mixture of the two and just apply a little bit. And because I already have the Glossier highlighter down and it's kind of like a lip balm, this kind of like sticks onto it. I really mastered the art of highlight. Confidence is key, ladies. I like looking like a grease ball because it's fun. Next, I'm not even kidding, I haven't been doing my eyebrows lately because, in all honesty, I forget. I don't know how I evolved from constantly doing my eyebrows with literally every brow product I own to forgetting to do my eyebrows. I don't know how it happened, but we're here today. But if I remember to do my eyebrows, then I'll use my Glossier Boy Brow. I love this thing. It just adds a little bit of a tint to darken your eyebrows, and it's so natural.
Okay, listen.
Yes.
This is our idea. Okay, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god.
We'll have like a choreographed dance that we like also.
Yes! Woo! Alright, see ya. Okay, this, one of my favorite products I own, not even kidding. This is a lip liner by Sephora Collection. It's just a shimmery highlighter. Do you see it? You can see it, right? It's right there. It's amazing for right here. I don't know why, but I just really like how that looks. So I've been using that just right there. And then I also use it in my inner corners and kind of right here. I know it's a lip liner, but we don't follow rules here. Now we can move on to the eyes. I will either wear nothing on my eyelids or I will use my Marc Jacobs iconic eyeshadow palette in Fantasine. I don't know, ladies. That right there. Here's what it looks like. It's a beautiful palette. Just look at that. It's a good one. So what I'll do is take these two colors right here and apply it all over my lid. So just have some color on my eyelids. And then after that, I will use this like pink, really glittery, shimmery eyeshadow. And I put it in the middle and, well, you guys can see right here. I put it right here. If I really want to, then I'll take some of that and put it on my lower lash line. I'm realizing I called this a simple makeup tutorial. I feel like there's just way too many steps to call it simple. Let me know if you consider this simple and natural. I don't know. As you can see, I am cutting my eyelashes off. Just kidding. I am curling my eyelashes. And now I'm gonna use my favorite mascara ever. Okay guys, I love this mascara so much. This is the Glossier Lash Slick mascara. And I love this because it is so natural, but it looks really good and it lasts forever and it doesn't flake like nothing. It's seriously amazing. It takes a few coats to get it where I want it, but oh my gosh, just look at that. It's so good. I definitely feel like I'm sponsored by Glossier for this video. But I swear I'm not, everyone. Glossier, if you're watching this, totally hit me up because I would love to work with you. Sorry, I'm done. I'm like holding my breath as I do my mascara and it's making me really hot. Trying to do my makeup in my viewfinder challenge. And that is my everyday makeup routine. I feel like this is really good for the summertime because it's nothing heavy and it's pretty simple. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, if you watched all the way to this point, comment the time it is that you're watching this video. What time is it where you are? Shout out to the McBabes of the week. I love you guys so much and you are seriously all incredible. So talented and cute and sweet and I feel like Marina Joyce. Do you guys remember that? Do you remember that? She was always like, you guys are so incredible and thank you so much for watching my channel. And yeah, if you liked this video, you're probably gonna like my other videos too. So definitely make sure to subscribe. And if you have any video ideas or requests for me, just leave them in the comment section because I would love to see that. I'm going to BeautyCon. If you're going, hit me up. I'm gonna be there. I'll talk about that more on my channel and on my Instagram and everything for sure. So if you want to and you're not already, follow me on my Instagram, summermckeen, and Snapchat. Everything is summermckeen if you want to follow me. I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much. Give this video a like on your way out and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You look so pretty. I need help choreographing a dance. We need help choreographing a dance.
I'm the one they go to for the dance choreography.
No. I wore that in one of my dances. Michael Jackson. I'm not good at that. Okay, then we don't have to do that. No, I want to.
Wow!
I fall in love too easily. I fall